here we go. The scrapping has started. This all got piled today. Yesterday, this was all set neatly along the fence. And today it's all stacked on top of each other. Chrysler New Yorker, Chrysler Saratoga, DeSoto. I mean, look at these parts, look at the trim. Windsor, just unbelievable. I mean, unbelievable. I'm gonna keep driving, see how long this goes. Look at that. There's a DeSoto station wagon, 60. When was the last time you saw one of those? There's a 60-something Chrysler with the rear window handles, electric rear window. Man, unbelievable. Somebody wants those bad. Just keeps going. Just keeps going. Just keeps going. I mean, look at some of these cars. I mean, just complete. I mean, look at that. Is that an old Chrysler business coupe, maybe? We're getting the right sunlight right now. I mean, look at some of this stuff. They just literally just drove over it with the loader to stack it. Hoods and doors. I mean, there's probably 100 aluminum slots laying around. That Chrysler emblem on the deck lid, I don't know if you can see it. So I'm going to turn around here. All that stuff is GM, Buick, and Cadillac. I just grabbed that 42 Dodge two-door sedan, because 42, as we all know, is an exceptionally rare year. This will blow your mind when I turn around and you get a perspective.